Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 5 and name of the chapter 5 is the coal and petroleum. And I taught you processing of coal and activities, and now I will start uses of coke. I will start uses of coke. Coal and petroleum. Now today I will tell uses of coal. Uses of coal. First, it is used as household fuel. It is used as household fuel. It is used as household fuel, and it is used in the extraction of metals such as iron, copper, tin and zinc. It is excellent reducing agent. Second one is that it is used at extraction of metals. Extraction of metals. It is used as extraction of metals. And next is it is used in the manufacturing of water gas. Manufacturing of water gas. Next, it is used in the manufacturing of graphite. It is used in the manufacturing of graphite. Manufacturing of graphite. This is the use of coal. And now uses of gas carbon. What is the uses of gas carbon? Uses of gas carbon. It is a good conductor of electricity. It is a good conductor of electricity, and it is used for making positive electrodes for dry cells. It is also used in making electrodes for the extraction of aluminium metal from its molten bauxite ore. And what is the use of coal tar? What is the use of coal tar? It is a fuel smelling dark brown liquid, and it is subjected to fractional distillation when useful chemicals such as benzene, toluene, anthracite, phenol, naphthalene and separate out, and these chemicals are widely used for making dyes, drugs and explosives. And for example, toluene is used for making DDT, benzene is used for making BHC, and it is which are used for insecticides. Similarly, toluene is used for making TNT, an explosive material used in the cartridge of guns, and phenol is used for making dyes, and naphthalene is used as moth repellent. You must have seen white naphthalene balls commonly used for storing woolens, and the residue left after destructive distillation is called pitch, and it is used for metallic rods. And common name for pitch is coal tar. Common name of pitch is coal tar, and which is not scientifically correct. Uses of ammonia liquid. What is the uses of ammonia liquid? The ammonia liquid is converted into ammonium sulfate by treating it with dilute sulfuric acid, and ammonium sulfate is used as an artificial fertilizer. Now uses of coal gas. The coal gas obtained has slightly fuel smell, and due to the presence of hydrogen sulfide gas, it is purified and used as households, and it is also used as industrial fuel for those industries which are located near the coal processing units. Coal tar was used for street lighting, for the first time in London in 1810 and in New York in 1820. However, with the invention of electric bulbs, its use was discontinued. Oral questions are given on page number 58 and you have to do with yourself. What is the name of the process in which wood changes to coal over million of years? Second question, what is the name of the oldest variety of coal? Name the 4 major products formed by the destructive distillation of coal and state any 2 industrial uses of coke. And name 4 products obtained by the fractional distillation of coal tar. And question number 6, why does coal tar have a slightly foul smell? Question number 7, name the youngest variety of coal and name 4 inexhaustible natural resources. Why is the coal subjected to destructive distillation rather than burning directly? Now come to the petroleum. Petroleum. Petroleum is a fossil fuel and it is a dark colored, viscous and it is a foul smelling liquid and commonly called the crude oil. And it always found trapped between 2 impervious rocks, non-porous rocks, and its name is derived from Latin word petra. Petra meaning rock. What is the meaning of petra? Petra meaning rock and oleum meaning oil. The petroleum literally means rock oil. What is the meaning of petroleum? Petra means rock, oleum means oil, means rock oil. So petroleum literally means rock oil. Origin of petroleum, how it originates. Crude oil, it is called a crude oil also. Crude oil or petroleum is a complex mixture of solid, liquid and gaseous hydrocarbon. It is a mixture of solid, liquid and gaseous hydrocarbons mixed with salt water and earthy particles. And it is believed that petroleum is formed by the anaerobic decomposition of extremely small sea animals and plants which got buried in the seabed millions of years ago. Let us try to see how this happened. Millions of years ago, a large number of microscopic plants and animals lived in the sea. Before that, large number of microscopic plants and animals lived in the sea and they died because of some calamity. Some natural calamities are there. So due to that natural calamities they died and then their bodies sank to the sea bed and these dead bodies got covered with sand and mud and the bodies of the dead plants and animals decayed in the absence of air under very high temperature and pressure of earth, and the product of decay was petroleum and natural gas, and the products got trapped between 2 layers of impervious rock forming oil trap, and the natural gas always collects above petroleum under high pressure in a dome shaped impervious rock commonly called the rock cap. Occurrence of petroleum. Petroleum occurs at a moderate depth, that is the 500 meter to 2000 meter in between 2 layers of impervious rock. The petroleum deposits are usually found mixed with the salt water, and the petroleum is lighter than the salt water. And hence floats over it. And natural gases found above petroleum trapped between the rock cap and the petroleum layer. So this is about the origin of petroleum, petroleum. So till here you will take revision.